Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 3-pack of ceramic vases. These are so pretty. They're all 3 separate sizes, so they kind of nest inside of each other. And you can have a different variety of plants in here. They are pretty small. There's a 5-inch, and then we have our 6-inch one right here. And then we have a 7.1 inch. So you can have a variety of different sized plants. And these can be used either indoor or outdoor because they are UV rated. So that would be so pretty under the sunlight. We're gonna take it out and check it out so you can see just how pretty that would be under the sun. It comes with these little mesh pads that go in the bottom of each of the planters. So that way it will help separate out the water a little bit better. They have a little rubber plug at the bottom as well as little foot stands. So I'm gonna put these plants inside here and then we'll take you in close and we'll see them out in the sun. So here's a look of them inside as they've been planted. I've just put them on my table so you can see kind of the size comparison with the pretty flowers in them. And now we'll take them outside. I've got the pots outside now, and that gold looks so pretty in the sunlight. The way that it reflects off that texture is just stunning. I love the way that these reflect both inside and outside light. They are UV protectant, so they are good to be outside. And they've got those nice little rubber plugs on the inside, so they can sit inside too.